Good morning, friends. I am Shwetali teacher. Welcome to KB Banda English Medium School online class. Today we are going to learn History and Civics Standard 7. Lesson number 1st. Sources of History. We studied the Asian Indian history last year. This year we are going to study the medieval period of Indian history. Broadly, the period from the 9th century CE. Here CE means Christ era. Tells the end of the 18th century CE is considered to be the medieval period of Indian history. In this lesson, we are going to study the sources of medieval history. History gives us a chronological, scientific and systematic account of past events. 4 factors are very important from the viewpoint of a history. They are individual, society, place and time. History must be based on authentic evidence or proofs. These proofs are known as the sources of history. Let us classify these sources into the material source, written source and oral source. To learn more about them, let us also evaluate the sources of history. We have to consider the many factors related to the historical event that we want to study. It is necessary to support our study with historical sources. These sources have to be verified. We have to see whether they are authentic. It is necessary to use these sources judicially and only after a critical analysis. First, have an important place among a material source. Material source. Physical sources. Memorials, buildings, cave sculptures, inscriptions, coins, copper plates, forts. All provide the insights about that the period. Looking at them, we comes to know about the development of the architecture, the economic condition, the qualities of art, style of the building, construction and people standard of a living on in that particular period. Let's learn. Since the ancient times, the coins like the kaudi, damdi, dhela, pai, paisa, ane and rupees were used. Some local idioms or proverbs are based on a coins. For example, एक फुटकी कवडी देणार नाही. Here it means फुटकी कवडी means the lowest bid on money. 16 आना सच, it means 100% true. See, look at the picture. In that picture, the Shiva Parvati, Ram Lakshman, Sita is there. We also learn about the financial translations and economic condition prevailing at that time. We also see how far a maturely had advanced in the period from the images of Ram Sita, Shiva Parvati on the coins of Hyder Ali. We see Hyder Ali coins, coins of Hyder Ali. The Peshwas used the Peshwai coins, Arabic language and their coins. These throws a lights on the using of a language in that period. In inscription is a covering on a stones or on a wall, etc. For example, the inscription found in the Brahmadeshwara temple, precious in a Tanjavur. Now, written source. Next one is written source. We learn about the significant historical events in the medieval period from sources like the writing styles of scripts like Devanagari, Arabic, Persian, Modi, etc. As also from the varieties of different languages, Bhrujapatra, religious inscriptions, treaties, edicts, decrees, biographies, paintings, etc. We can gather the information about the food items, actors, conventions and rules of conduct of the people, festivals and about the people's life, etc. From these sources. Sources of these types are called the written source of history. See, this is a written source. Documents of progressing in the courts of kings. Genealogies, Shakavali. Now, next one is oral source. We understand various aspects of a folk life through the folk literature traditionally passed on from a generation to generation. Oral sources, folk songs, povadas, folk tales, shloks, abhangs, mitas, legends. History is such types of sources are called the oral source. History is written with the help of the three types of sources mentioned above. Even after it has been written, done restrictions on its goes on continuously. Now sources of and information comes to a line through this research. Then history has been rewritten accordingly. We can see that our history books and those of our parents and grandparents differs to the certain extent. The Povada of Tanaji. Do you know the Povada of Tanaji? See, given below is an extract from of a Povada composed by a Tulsidas. See, मामा बोलाया तो लागला 80 वर्षीचा म्हातारा, लगीन राहिले रायबाचे तो मजला सांगावी, माझ्या तानाजी सुभेदारा जे गेले सिंहगडाला. त्याचे पाठीरे पाहिले नाही पुढारे पाहिले. ज्याने आंबारे खाईला बाठा बुजरा चावीला. त्याचे झाड होऊनी आंबे बांधले किल्ला हाती नाही आला. सिंहगड किल्ल्याची वार्ता काढू नको तानाजी सुभेदारा. जे गेले सिंहगडाला ते मरुनशानी गेले. तुमचा सपाटा होईल असे बोलू नको रे मामा. आम्ही सुरमर्द छत्री नाही भिणार मरणाला. Evaluation the sources of history. It is necessary to take care precautions before using these sources of history. We have to examine these automatically and see which are genuine and which are fake. All of you understand this lesson? Very good. Thank you.